Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable virtualization in ASUS BIOS. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is that whenever your PC is restarting or you're starting your PC, and as soon as you get the black screen or no signal screen, you need to hit the delete key continuously unless and until you are on your BIOS. And once your BIOS is open, we'll head over to advanced mode. So for that you can either hit F7 key or you can just click on advanced mode option. Here you need to head over to advanced, then you will see the option CPU configuration. So click on that, and just here you need to scroll a bit to see the option Intel virtualization technology. It could be different, like if you have AMD CPU it would be named as SVM mode, but I have Intel one, that's why I have the option Intel virtualization technology. So this is the exact option we need to enable. Once you enable this, it's time to save these changes. So for that, head over to exit tab, then here click on save changes and reset, click on OK, and yeah, now your PC will restart and you will see that the virtualization is successfully enabled on your computer. And that's exactly how you can enable virtualization in ASUS BIOS. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.